Today we have a really cool English sports car, a 1962 Triumph TR4 Surrey top. So it is a Targa. It's got the rigidity of a coupe. You feel like you're in the open air motoring? What better? And TR4s are some of the coolest, fun for the money. So we're going to take it for a ride. What can I tell you from the get-go on this, other than these TR4 Surrey tops are really cool, fun driving cars. To find one in this condition is someone's labor of love, monetary love affair, therapy, but without a doubt, it will only benefit its next custodian because a lot of money has been spent on it, and you cannot find TR4s in this condition often. Well, we're going to take you down one of our favorite roads, show you how fun these things can be on the twisties, so that it cruises with the best of them as well. It has no slouch as far as power goes. So cool gearbox, nice little snick from gear to gear. A non-standard wheel for sure, but Nardi is nice nonetheless. Once again, we can't really speak about the foliage because it's barren, and Jason's upset. But it's sunny. So
sunny, bright, and beautiful.
Right. So stop talking, please. So it's sunny, bright, and beautiful. Anyway, we're not going to go changing. On our way to the flybys. So here we are, cool road heading up to our flybys, and I'll tell you what, one of these days we're going to put together a roll of bloopers because they are worthwhile. I'm not sure if we can actually put any of them on YouTube, but we do have a good time doing this. This is awesome. This switch I thought was to jettison Jason, but it's not. It's just for the wipers. Hope that everyone has enjoyed the flybys. We're about to run out of gas. To the FFR road we go. To the FFR road we go. Oh God, look at this. We are almost out of fuel. We are out of fuel. We are really out of fuel. Give me a little bit, baby. Oh, we'll finish it later.
This is gold.
What?
This is gold. I'm not stopping.
Woo! Oh God! Of all the places to have a, I'm so close to a fuel stop. Please. Come on, kids. We gotta get going. Anything to get fuel in that pickup. Come on, Subaru, please. As you can see, this is a wonderful cruising Triumph. Does everything right, and I can tell you for a fact, the fuel gauge works. Come on. Michael Levine, if you're watching, this is very reminiscent of your XK120 on the Copper State and getting to the next town.
Fuel.
Okay, this is gonna be great because they're not gonna let us in and we're gonna have to push.
Come on.
Come on, kids.
Come on.
Come on, anybody. Oh yeah, you awesome.
Woo!
Oh.
We're there. We made it.
Oh, hey, Johnny Mullen, if you're watching, this is one of yours winner chicken dinner. Woohoo!
Wow.
Okay, having put fuel in it, now we're going to tell you whether the fuel gauge actually works. Oof, it was on empty. And she's picking up fuel again. Okay, well, as you can see, we're now full. We do not have a Subaru in front of us any longer. So we will be able to get back to the homestead. And this one was a special road test. And I hope everyone enjoyed it. And again, you know where to find us if you have any questions. And we'll be happy to answer them to the best of our ability. And we're now going to sit and wait for the train. Open the door. Close the door. Thanks for watching. See ya.